John had always dreamed of living abroad. He was a Canadian citizen, but had his heart set on living a life of adventure and exploration in a foreign country. After months of planning, he finally made the leap and moved to a new country. At first, John was overwhelmed with the new culture and lifestyle. But eventually, he settled in and began to enjoy his new home. One day, John received a letter from the Canadian government. It stated that he was required to file a non-resident rental income tax, NR4, form for Section 216. He was confused as to what this meant, so he decided to do some research. John soon learned that NR4 was a form that needed to be filled out by Canadians living abroad who receive rental income from properties in Canada. It was a way for the Canadian government to collect taxes from these individuals. John was relieved to learn that the process was relatively simple. He filled out the form and sent it back to the government. Now, John was able to rest easy knowing that he had taken care of his tax obligations. He was thankful that the Canadian government had made this process so easy for Canadians living abroad. He was glad that he had taken the time to understand the NR4 form and its requirements. Visit our website or call us for any questions.